The following message is transmitted at the request of the Metropolitan Police. At 9 p.m. Greenwich Mean Time, the Metropolitan Police are investigating reports of armed men with assault rifles roaming the streets of London. It's unknown what the intentions are of this time. All residents of London are advised to stay vigilant at this time. Stay tuned to the BBC for more updates on this event. The following message is transmitted at the request of the Metropolitan Police. At 12 a.m. Greenwich Mean Time, the armed gunmen have started shooting at civilians and army barracks in the whole city. In addition, the armed gunmen have been identified. The armed gunmen are part of the British National Party armed militia, the British National Army. These gunmen are also killing government ministers and generals of the army. The British National Party is being supported by the English Defence League and Britain First in the attacks. All residents of London are advised to stay indoors at this time. Lock all doors and windows. Barricade all entrances of your home and windows. Don't approach the gunmen as they are considered very armed and dangerous. Stay tuned to the BBC for more updates on this developing situation. The following message is transmitted at the request of the Metropolitan Police. At 3 a.m. Greenwich Mean Time, the British National Army and the EDL and Britain First have taken 10 Downing Street and have taken the Prime Minister and his cabinet hostage inside the building. In addition, the BNP's leader Nicholas Griffin has made his motive clear. He wants to take control of the country and make Britain into a neo-Nazi state and unite all far-right groups into the BNP. All residents of London are advised to continue the previous instructions for your safety. Stay tuned to the BBC for more updates on this developing situation. The following message is transmitted at the request of the Metropolitan Police. At 4 a.m. Greenwich Mean Time, the British National Army has executed the Prime Minister after he refused to resign and hand over to Nicholas Griffin as Prime Minister. It's unknown of the current status of the other cabinet members. In addition, the army has surrounded 10 Downing Street if the hostage crisis escalates further. All residents of London are advised to stay vigilant and follow the previous instructions for your safety. Stay tuned to the BBC for more updates on this developing situation. The following message is transmitted at the request of the Government of the United Kingdom. At 6 a.m. Greenwich Mean Time, the situation regarding the coup is over. The army stormed the building and have captured Nicholas Griffin and the BNP leadership. The threat to the whole country is over. You may now exit your homes. However, there is massive damage to the whole city as a result of the coup. The government thanks you for your cooperation. We now return to regular programming.